Imagine if there was a game that combined the aspects of Bed Wars and Skyblock. Well, you don't have to imagine because a game like that already exists. And in today's video, I am going to teach you how to play it. I am making this video on requests of my friends because this game is very complex to understand. So, let's get into it. First we gotta do the tutorial. Here we will learn about different types of tools. There are 3 main types of tools. 1. Pickaxe. 2. Skinning knife. 3. Axe. Pickaxe is used for mining ore. Skinning knife is used for skinning animals. Axe is used for collecting wood. Also there are different tiers of these tools. The first tier is T1 and the highest tier is T8. Highest one obtainable is T5. These tiers are followed in every. Start with the tutorial. Here at the start there will be a bunch of dialogues, you can already see that. We gotta chop this tree down real quick. Now we gotta mine down these rock. Now comes the most interesting part. This is a part which is the most important one and it might even take up some time for you to catch up with. There is a system called the talent system but without pay to win. You get about 20k free talent learning points daily. You need to unlock talents to use or make an item. For example, if I need to use T4 plate armor, I need to unlock its specific talent. Here we have unlocked the T3 gathering talent. Also I forgot to mention one thing, the talent points can only be used if you turn on this button. Turn on this button. It speeds up your learning of talents by 5 times. Let me just speed up this part because it was already told by me. This is the artisan talents, through which can make sword, helmet, chest piece, leggings, boots and cloak. Let me just collect the iron ore. And that's it for part 1. I will meet you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.